Yo, what's up guys? It's Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I got here a model kit from Auldey, and this is the GALION from the Asy-Tac Fronteer KAINAR, and yep, this is one of the antagonist mobile suits or mecha model or mecha thing from that series, and this came from the Skeleton Pirates. So I'm very happy that still there are some stores from Shopee Philippines, from China, that sells this kind of model kit from Auldey. Although this is a bit rare to find, but just search it well from the Shopee Philippines and you will see that there are stores that will definitely sell this to you at an affordable price. By the way, this one I only bought around 1,100 pesos, and let's check this kit out and let's see what this Auldey GALION from Skeleton Pirates Asy-Tac Fronteer KAINAR has to offer us. Found here on those kits. The GALION from Auldey. The box of most KAINAR or majority of the KAINAR kits has a large size, so its box is really big, and from the sequence here we can see that it's the 9th in the sequence of the KAINAR kits. And again, A-type, advanced type 100, so this has the equivalent what do you call this? Equivalent scale for the master grade model, the Bandai. Okay, so there we can see the Skeleton Pirates here. I really like this menacing look here. It looks like a skeleton. So this is a grunt suit. It looks like the counterpart of the Zaku from the Gundam model or the Gundam anime. And yep, it looks really menacing. The eyes look so, it's like the death, god of death, the Shinigami, the Grim Reaper, something like that. Okay, so the box here, go to the side of the box, we can see this front view and the rear view. So it really looks bulky. The kit looks bulky, which I find it normal with the enemy or the grunt suits from any kind of mecha series. They are all bulky looking, so whenever you see a bulky looking suit, most likely they are the enemies. Okay, so there we got the clips from the anime, the KAINAR anime, and the straight build looks like this. So it's a purple grunt suit. Then we can see here the gimmicks there. Okay, there are opening hatches for the weapons, and there we got the KAINAR here, the KAINAR there, and there some Chinese explanations there. Okay, if we open the box here, by the way, I opened it and I get the instruction manual. So first we have to see the instruction manual. You can see here the same picture from the box art, and it says here CSP GIF 0150. So there's so many codes. So it's the Crown Skeleton Pirates CSP GALION. Okay, so if we open the manual here, and this is what I really like. So the manuals from the Auldey kits, they have this Chinese explanation, and they also have the English translation for that scriptures. So there we got some English explanation. So this is the Hyper GALION. So this kit is called the Hyper GALION, and these are the parts. So the parts list here, it's not that much if I'm going to see it. So most parts here does have this X or cross mark here, meaning this is not included with the kit. And most parts, as I can see, they are all bulky. So this is bulky parts. So as we can see, the assembling process here, it's not that complicated since this has so many bulky parts. And there, it's an easy kit to build as I can judge it. Okay. So I might as well build this immediately because this is not that hard to build. Okay. There we go. So let's go with the parts. So if we open the box here, which I'm doing now. Okay. So there we got purple parts, chunky purple parts. These are purple parts. I really like the color. I really like the appearance. The purple parts are so yummy looking. It looks like an ube cake here in the Philippines. There we got the chunky purple parts again. Black parts for the inner frame and connectors. So chunky black parts. Got this purple parts again, mostly purple. Black parts. We got this poly caps, and we got this clear green part. I think this one for the eyes. And there we got foil stickers. Okay, and it says here Auldey. And there we got the light gray or light purple parts. And what's this? We got purple parts again. Black parts, and finally purple parts. As always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So we got here runner Q for this light purple parts, and there I really like this skull face there. Very very nice. It looks menacing and looks evil. Okay, so it's runner Q. Then we got runner C for this purple part. We got runner N for this chunky purple parts. Got this chunky black parts, runner E. And we got here runner G for this one for the guns. Yep. Then we got this chunky black parts again. So these are runner F. Okay. Inner frame parts. Runner O for this purple parts. Then we got this runner J for this connector here, the black connectors. Then we got runner P and runner H again for these black parts. Chunky parts here, purple color. This is runner A. Then we got runner I for this black parts here. Then we got runner B for this purple things, and B purple parts here. We got runner L. There, we got runner L. And we got this green, clear green part for the eyes, I presume. Yep, obviously these are for the eyes. And we got poly caps, black poly caps. And we got this foil stickers, which has this Auldey crest there. And the instruction manual. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing review of the Hyper Galleon, or the Galleon from Auldey. And this is your Crown Skeleton Pirates. So see you next time on the finished build. Good night, God bless, take care.